Heartily welcome to my channel. My name is Sandeep Basic. I am 40 years old 3D generalist. My channel has lots of Blender video tutorial that's more than 1000 plus which make you real professional artist. In other hand this channel has GIMP and inkscape tutorials which are more than 500 plus. I am working in small CG studio, so I make a video what I learned of my experience. To support me for continuing my work, kindly subscribe my channel and share my video to your friends and community if my video worth. Thank you, and you get ahead to my tutorial video.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share you how to make this vertex, make it align instead that you are watching this video about the Blender tutorial, and I'm using the Blender very old version 2.79 version, so it doesn't matter what version I'm using. So the main tips is the how to align this vertex. This is very easy. So this is the state align, and this is a not state. How to make this curvical vertex in a straight line. So go to the object mode, press X to delete, and get start. So before so Shift A, add mesh, or you can add from create here. So from keyboard press Shift and A, plane, click on the plane and align to view, press Z to object mode and go to the edit mode. Press A to deselect all and select this vertex. Press X to remove, to delete these vertices, and I want to keep it. So Control and to extrude it, press Control and click. Control click. So you can see that this vertex, this line are not a straight line. So how to make it align to into a straight line? So go to the object mode and go to the file. You would install one add-on. You don't worry about this add-on. Don't worry about to collect it from internet. It is already pre-installed in Blender software. So go to the file and user preference. So what the type of you can mesh loop tool. So click in here and search on the search bar loop tools, mesh loop tools. Click in here. So how to you can find, just press the W key and save user setting. Click in here and close this one. So again come back in my 3D view and go to the edit mode and select, press A to select all vertices and press W hotkey, and you can see the loop tools add-on is appear here when you press the hotkey W and click it in here, G straight. So click it in here, you can see that it automatically align. So you can see here. So if I grab this one, this one, this one, this, so select everything, press A to select all vertices. So I want to duplicate this one so you can understand what is the result after and before. So press W, loop tools, and click on G straight. So you can see here, this is after, this is after, and this is before. So this tips is very easy, but sometimes some artist doesn't find how to make this vertex align. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video with a new blender tutorial. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. To get more videos, kindly go to my channel and check it out. Gracias por ver. Para obtener más videos, por favor via a mi canal y comprabelo.